To do a transaction, click the Checkout tab. To sell an item, click in the search box in the upper left-hand corner of your browser. The green tag next to the search box denotes a sale. Enter the name of the item, the barcode, or any portion of a word. If you've entered the full barcode, the item will appear below as a line item if it resides in inventory. If you've entered in only some of the information, a box will appear allowing you to either select from existing inventory, to create a new item to sell that is similar to an existing inventory item, or to manually create a new item to sell. Please note, you can hover over the blue icon to the right of the retail price for more information about certain items. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll select an existing inventory item from the list and click Found My Item to continue. If changes need to be made to the item, click the line item to expand its details. For existing items, you can adjust the quantity sold and the retail price of the item sold using the Override button. It allows you to also give a discount based on the amount or percent. Please note, the quantity for consigned items cannot be adjusted. At any time, you can add additional items by placing your cursor in the search box in the upper left of your browser. The system has been designed to allow a buy and a sell transaction to happen concurrently. This allows the store to only charge tax on the difference between the purchased and sold item. To buy an item, click in the search box in the upper right side of your browser. The red tag next to the search box denotes a buy. Enter the name of the item, the UPC, or any other relevant information to start the purchase process. If you scan an item's barcode, the system will look for items on the internet with the same barcode and may pre-populate the name field. If there are existing inventory items with the same name or UPC, a pop-up box will appear giving you the option to add to your existing inventory. If none of the items match the item you wish to enter, click Enter Item manually to continue. Then you can select a category, type a name, add a description, set a quantity you will purchase, enter a purchase price, and enter a retail price. At any time, you can add additional items by placing your cursor in the search box on the upper right side of your browser. The current transaction totals are listed in the lower right corner of the browser, showing you a running total of the current transaction. If you wish the transaction to be associated with an existing customer or for a customer to use store credit, click in the customer box on the left side of the page. Then, start entering the customer's name. A list of existing customers will be displayed below the text field. Click on a customer or arrow down to the correct customer and press Enter on your keyboard to select that person. When you've finished adding items to a transaction, click Complete Transaction to continue. Then, enter the payment type with which the customer wishes to pay. Please note, store credit is only visible when a customer is selected. If you have not selected a customer, you can click Cancel to go back to the checkout screen and select one. The right side of the payout window has large buttons with the common dollar denominations for quick entry. Click the appropriate buttons to quickly add dollar bills. When you've entered the payment types, click OK to continue. This completes the transaction.